know how much time I wasted trying to fix this video and find where to film. I'm about to attempt to go on this balcony and film a video. I hate this balcony because bees, like every time I come in here, there's bees like flying around and it freaks me out. God, I'm freaking out. If I see a bee, it's a wrap. 1, 2, 3, open the gate. It seems so dumb that I'm really scared, right? See, something just flew. What the heck was that? I know it wasn't a bird. It didn't look like a bird. What the heck is that? That's a fly. It's a black fly. Hey guys. Okay, this is a test. But yeah. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh, that's way too high. So what do you want? But as you can see, we're outside right now. I'm gonna do a June favorites video. Mine's is gonna be a little bit different than most people's because it really has nothing to do with beauty. Yeah, it's basically stuff I really liked for this month of June. So let's just get ready. Wow, please don't park right there. Anyways, okay, so the first thing I really liked for the month of June, might sound weird, but it's Shia LaBeouf. Shia LaBeouf. Oh my god, they're getting out the van. This is not cool. I just can't film a damn video. Alright. Okay, bye. Okay, I think it's safe now. But yeah, freaking Shia LaBeouf. I've been obsessed with his Just Do It video. I've watched like every remake, every like parody of that video because it is that amazing and it's that funny. What else? That was a weird ass sound. And then also his rap video, except part of it was kind of from an older song. But regardless, it sounded good. He's got flow. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it. I'm kidding, I don't know how to do it properly. Don't let your dreams be dreams. I watched halfway through the whole video that it's from. He's so talented. He's a very talented actor. He's a little crazy sometimes, but he's cool. Like, leave Shia LaBeouf alone. He's good in my book. Anyways, next thing I like for this month, this is gonna seem random. Or not this month, last month, is Chinese food. I've been obsessed with Chinese food. There's across the street down there, there's this place called King's Walk, and they have Chinese food, and I don't know, I think this is the same everywhere, but Chinese food, when you buy it, they give you a big quantity for what you pay for. And my favorite thing to eat is sweet and sour chicken balls with, what's that thing called? With the noodles. Noodles are $2 extra. But I get them anyway. And I always get the egg roll and my fortune. My last fortune I got actually said that people are finding you cute. Hey, I found myself cute, so. Okay, the next thing, one of my June favorites is Trisha Paytas. She kind of inspired this video actually because I saw her June favorites, and usually when I see these favorite videos, it's usually all beauty and all these products, and I'm like, I don't have any products that I really care about. I just use stuff. But her video included a lot of like different things like movies and shout outs, and I was like, oh, that's awesome. I can do a favorites video and it doesn't have to be beauty. But I've been loving her videos. I like that she's very open and very real. I like how organic her videos are. It's kind of just her there talking, and there's my neighbors are outside walking across the street. Yeah, maybe I should wave and say hi. It's so hot outside, you have no idea. But yeah, Trisha, her videos are like really nice. What am I trying to say? She's so open about literally everything, and I love that. I wish I could be like that. Maybe not as open, but I really just love her personality. She's a really sweet person. She may be a little like much for some people, but I love it. Okay, next thing on my list is SZA. I'm saying it in an accent. She's a music artist, and oh my lord have mercy, she's like my favorite right now. So yeah, freaking, I discovered her through, I was watching a natural hair video, and they had the song Sweet November in the background, and I was like, what song is that? Looked her up, and I'm now like in love with her music. My 4 favorite songs right now that I literally have on repeat are Hijack. Sometimes I keep you in my mind. Sweet November. Remember me for who I was, not who I am. What's the other ones? Oh, Shattered Ring. I know you'd rather be scared. One more. I forgot the other one. Sweet November, Shattered Ring, and there's another one. Oh, You Are is probably my most favorite because I have that on repeat like every single day. Type A personality. Now the last thing on my favorites, this video's almost done. How great is that? Where is it? Wait, where's the list? Hold up. Wait, whoa. Where'd the list go? I think I deleted it by accident. Oh my god. I had one more thing. Oh, I know what it is. Okay, so Nanalew also is one of my, I should have done it in categories like YouTubers, music. Anyways, but Nanalew, this is the first one, it'll get better. Yeah, Nanalew, I've been watching her for a few years now and I love her style. She's also Canadian and I really like her videos a lot. I actually met Nanalew a long time ago at a gathering with Shay Carl and Tori Vidal.
Are we doing a video or a picture first? Video first? What are we gonna say? I don't know. Are you coming to Lupper with us? Are you coming to Lupper?
I didn't understand what she said. I was really awkward at that time. Still I'm awkward. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video there really. So yeah, those are my favorites for June. I'm gonna do July favorites, but it's July now and I don't have any favorites yet. Obviously, okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Love you guys and bye. Her door open. Okay, bye. Sometimes I get rice. Noodles are $2 extra. That was racist.